Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Science Lesson 2. Today's topic is what is a push or pull? And your learning outcomes are to demonstrate a push or a pull on objects. Demonstrate means to show how you are going to push or pull an object. Understand an object moves when we push or pull it. Let's brainstorm. A force is a push or pull. A push or a pull is force and it makes something move. Look at the picture. The first boy is pulling the box, but the second boy on the right side is pushing it. So we can use different forces to move the same object. Let's recall what is a push. A push is a force. It can make a thing move. When we push a thing, it moves away. Remember, pushes always make things move away. Look at this picture. The tiger is doing push-ups, and as he pushes, he moves its body away from the ground. What is a pull? A pull is a force that can make a thing move. And remember, whenever we pull something, it moves towards us. Look at this tall minion. He's trying to pull the goggles. And what happens? He uses too much force, and when he leaves, the little minion moves and flies away with the force used. So let's have a look. How do we move these objects? How do we use forces to make them move? To press a bell, what force you will use? You will push, pull, or you will use both the forces. Think about it. Try to act. Act as if you are pressing the bell, and then realize, think, are you using push or pull force? You're right, we use push force to press the bell. This girl, she wants to stop the dog from running away. So, which force you think she should use? She should use push force, pull force, or both the forces. Well, let's check the answer. She will use pull force to stop the dog from running away. So you can see we can also stop some movement by using these forces. Let's see. To cut the grass. This is a grass machine used for cutting grass. So which forces you will use? You will use push or pull or both? Yes, what do you suggest? Think, act it out. Yes, we will use both the forces because maybe we want to go forward and cut the grass, and later we want to come back, so we'll start pulling it back to cut the grass behind. We can use both the forces. Look at this action in the second picture. It shows shut the door. To shut the door is to close the door. To close the door, he's using both his hands. Which force is he using? Is it a push or a pull force? It is a push force. Focus on the hands. When you act it out, you will find it that we are using push force to close this door. To move a stroller, Mummy is going to use which force? She will move it by using push force. To close a bag is which force needed. You will pull both the strings on both the ends to close this bag. To move a swing, this girl will push her brother to make him swing. To take the fish out of the water, come on, act it out as if you are fishing and think, which force is helping you to pull the fish out of the water? Yes, it is the pull force. You're right. To move a box. Now it depends. As we saw in the picture earlier, we can use any force to move a box. It depends how you move it or where you want to keep it, how you are going to take it. You can use both the forces, push and pull. To unzip a zipper, what do? You move it downwards. So when you move it downwards, try to act it out. Which force you're using? You're using pull force to unzip your jacket. Look at this bird. It's looking for some food. And it digs out a worm from the ground. So which force this bird is using? It is using pull force to take the worm or dig the worm out of the ground. If your friend falls off and you want to help, think, imagine, and act out which force you will use to help your friend get up from the floor. You are going to push your friend or pull her to get up. Act it out. You will use pull force to help her get up. That's all for today. I hope you're enjoying push and pull activities. Do share if you have some other ways to push or pull, move an object or someone or something. Send us a video and share how you move different objects. Have fun. Assalamu alaikum.